Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Prime Video Watch Party to watch content together with friends and family remotely, follow these step-by-step instructions to join or host a viewing session. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Prime Video website. Ensure you are logged in with your Amazon account that has an active Prime membership. Step 2. Navigate to the movie or TV show you want to watch together. Click on it to open the detail page. Step 3. Look for the watch party icon, which appears as a group of people. Click on this icon to create a new watch party session. Step 4. Prime Video will generate a unique link for your watch party. Copy this link by clicking the Copy Link button. Step 5. Share the watch party link with your friends or family members through email, messaging apps, or social media platforms. Step 6. When participants click the link, they will be directed to join the watch party. All participants must have their own Prime Video subscription to join. Step 7. Once everyone has joined, the host can start the video. The playback will be synchronized for all participants, and you can use the chat feature to communicate. Step 8. During the watch party, all participants can see who is watching and send messages in the chat panel on the right side of the screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.